Welcome to Brotuned, everyone. Today we are going to test out the Eley Tenex ammunition in my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. I'm hoping that it's not the best stuff that this thing has ever ate, because at $30 a box I'd almost rather shoot my center fires. But let's see what we can do at 50 yards in our regular format group shooting. 10 foulers to start. Here we go. First shot was really high. So we're shooting very high, a little bit right. Might have to correct for that. I'm going to do 5 shots first, but those first 2 are in the same hole. So first 5 are looking pretty nice, but pretty much a half mil high. So let's come down 1/2 mil, and we'll go left a 1/10. I guess we'll try that for our next 5 of our 10 foulers. Well, that's looking very promising. Not for my wallet or my bank account, but for this rifle and target shooting. Okay, let's move on to the first 5-shot group. Group number 1. Come back up 1/10. Speaks for itself, everything into one hole. Group number 2. Once again, that's doing very, very well. Let's go to group number 3. Another one hole group. This stuff is really killing it. I'll load up 5 more. Apparently this barrel really likes the higher end Eley stuff, so I probably won't be buying this $30 a box stuff, the Tenex, but the team and the match seem to work pretty well. Not quite this well, but for 1/2 the price I can shoot double as much and have just as much fun. So let's get back to group number 4. Very consistent and shooting very well. Wow. Pretty much amazing stuff right now. We are getting good wind gusts too, and it's not affecting it that much. It's only 50 yards, so the bullet travel time is very short. So the amount of deviation from the wind would be almost negligible, I would say. But it's still something to consider. And it's going from right to left. So if you see that on the groups down there, that's what's causing it, I would guess, because this stuff is shooting amazingly. And for our last 10-shot group number 5. Let's get at it. Natural point aim. Starting to fall off there. And that must be the last shot, because it seems a stovepipe in these 10 round mags. So we got one flyer there. That's about it. Let's see if we can get the last shot in with the rest of the group. It went back with its friend, the flyer. So that concludes our test of the Tenex. All our shot data will be displayed now. I just want to say thanks to all the subscribers, and thanks for everyone for watching and liking and commenting. We'll see you again next week. Take care, guys.